To set knocking sound notifications as silent in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra, open settings, swipe up full screen to access the app screen, and then select settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel. Swipe down notification panel and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find accessibility, and then tap accessibility. Tap hearing enhancements, and then tap sound notifications. Select settings, and then tap sound notifications are active if you turn on sound notification, and if turn off, tap sound notifications are paused. Then turn on live transcript and sound notifications. If off, tap sound notification switch until blue to turn on, and then select knocking. Select silent to set knocking sound notification as silent. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.